Hi, I'm Don from HBI Auto, and today we're going to show you what to do when the battery dies in your McLaren 570S. Alright, so when the battery dies in your McLaren, the window is going to crack a little bit to allow you to open the door without the glass shattering. So first, we're going to take the back off the key and take the metal key out. This is the keyhole access where you're going to put your key in. And then you're going to turn it until the door opens. Watch your head. Now after you get the door open, you're going to hit this little switch up here. And that's going to open your front bonnet to give you access to your battery. And now you're going to hook up the C-Tech charger that came with your McLaren and let the car charge all the way. Sometimes you don't get so lucky and the McLaren window does not drop all the way or at all. And in that case, you'll actually shatter the glass if you try opening it that way I just showed you. You'll take a jack, put a hockey puck on it, and now we're going to access the bonnet release cable through the fender liner. And you're going to take out these two T30 screws that are right here. So now you're going to take this cable and you're going to pull it real hard and fast. If you guys have any more questions about McLarens, please let us know and we'll make another video. Thank you for watching.